Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'm showing how to make traditional uruli using air dry clay and plastic bottle. This is air dry clay. You can take any brand air dry clay and then give the shape of a diya or a lamp. You can stick the petal to the diya using fevicol if it does not stick. Take any waste plastic bottle. This is 5-liter water bottle. Cut the bottom portion of the bottle. If you have seen my previous video, I have used the middle portion of the bottle for making wall hanging tea light holder. Apply fevicol or white glue. Take air dry clay and then flatten it using a roller and then apply it as shown. Cover the bottle portion completely using air dry clay. Now take a brush that has a flat surface as in this brush. Make impressions on the clay before it dries. Allow it to completely dry. Apply pearl metallic color. This is gold pearl metallic colors from fevicryl. Next, take gliding paste and then apply it completely. These are gold foil. Stick the gold foil as shown. Remove the extra portion of the gold foil using dry brush. Repeat the same process for the diyas as well. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I will reply it as soon as possible.